Okay, this is my grandparents' old day and night furnace. Day and night. And if you look in here, you can see the pilot light. And so, yeah, here's all the ductwork. It's a very old day and night gas furnace. And there's the exhaust pipe. It doesn't have a draft inducer because it's so old, so the gas just flows up that pipe. So my grandpa is going to turn it on. I'm going to go tell him to turn it on. Okay, you can turn it on! So if you hear, you heard it ignite. It ignited in there. Pretty soon the blower fan's gonna kick in. So the gas ignited, and pretty soon the blower fan's gonna kick on and start. There it goes. The blower fan. And there it is. It's running now. And we just replaced the filter today. So yeah, that should be good. And it's sucking air in, then blowing it back out where all the ducts are. Here. Here's vent. And it blows out. I would say it's a very strong blower fan. And here's a box of other filters, so that'll last them a long time. But yeah, they said I could take a video of their furnace. So yeah, I thought that very old day and night gas furnace would be cool to film. Yeah. Here's where the gas is. And then the blower fan's in here. So yeah. Ducts, and yep, they go all through the house. And it's very old. It's about the same age as the air conditioner which I took a video of. It's a day and night too. But yeah, this chair right here, I'm going to set this camera on this chair and then go shut it off. So you can hear it shutting down too. So you just set this up right here. And then go shut it off. Yep, the gas is off now. I went and shut it off. Wait for the blower fan to turn off. A little hole in the ducts right there. There went the blower fan. Blower fan shut off, so now it's off. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this startup shutdown of my grandma and grandpa's old day-night gas furnace. Have a nice day.